Welcome to Topic 7, Python Lists, presented by Dr. Hamad Mohammed Almantheri. We'll cover fundamental concepts and operations of lists in Python. Today, we begin our discussion on Python lists, a crucial data structure for any programmer. A list is a sequence of values, an ordered collection of items, meaning you can store a sequence of items in a list. Elements are enclosed in square brackets, as shown in the example, to create a new list. Lists are mutable, allowing you to add, remove, or search for items after creation. Here are examples of lists with different data types. C_creatures is a list of strings. The numbers list contains integers from 0 to 12, demonstrating Python lists' versatility. List L3 shows elements of different types, including a string, float, integer, and even another list. You can create an empty list using empty brackets, like empty_list equals. This slide demonstrates creating and printing lists named cheeses, numbers, and empty. Now let's move on to indexing, a fundamental concept for accessing list elements. Access list elements using the index operator. The index always starts at 0. For number equals 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, number 0 is 1, number 1 is 2, and number 2 is 3. Accessing an element with an invalid index, like number 5, will cause an index error. Python supports negative indexing, counting backward from the end. -1 is the last element. -2 is the second to last. This example shows positive and negative indexing with number equals 2, 4, 1, 10, 5, including index error cases. Next, we explore slicing, a powerful operation to extract a range of elements from a list. Slicing extracts a sublist. This visual shows how elements 3 and 4 are extracted from a list. The syntax for slicing is list, start, end, step, where start is inclusive, end is exclusive, and step is the increment. This diagram illustrates front and back indices for a list containing characters A through G, along with slice indices. For numbers equals 4, 7, 24, 14, 25, 9, numbers 0:4:2 results in 4, 24, and numbers 1:5:3 results in 7, 25. This slide demonstrates list slicing with various start and end indices, including negative indices from numbers equals 4, 7, 24, 14, 25, 9. You can slice from a start index to the end, or from the beginning to an end index, as shown with the numbers list. This slide explains slicing using the step value, providing examples to extract specific elements. This table summarizes Python list slicing examples, showing how different parameters affect the extracted sublist, including reversing the list. Given LST equals 40, 50, 20, 30, 90, determine the results of these slicing operations. To add elements, read input, convert it, and append using the plus operator, as shown in this code snippet. This program calculates the sum and average of a list of numbers, prompting for input and displaying results. Let's explore essential list functions that simplify common operations. Len returns the number of items, and sum returns the sum. For L1 equals 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, len is 7 and sum is 28. Min returns the minimum, and max returns the maximum. For L1, min is 1 and max is 7. This example demonstrates len, max, min, and sum on a list nums, then calculates the average. Access list elements using while loops, for loops iterating directly over elements, or for loops with range. Create n equals 3, 5, 8, 12, 24, then find its maximum, minimum, and average values. Python offers special list operations like item inist for presence and item not inist for absence. Other operations include list concatenation with is3 equals ist plus is2, duplication with is4 equals ist asterisk 2, and deletion with delist. This example demonstrates checking for element presence or absence in list using in and not in operators. Here, lists L1 and L2 are combined to form L3, and L1 is duplicated to create L4, illustrating concatenation and multiplication. This code further illustrates list operations, including concatenation, multiplication, and membership testing, displaying the results. Python lists have built-in methods for adding elements. lst.append adds one item, and lst.extend adds a sequence. lst.insert inserts an item at a specified index, offering precise control. This table demonstrates append 4 single items, extend 4 multiple, and insert 4 specific index placement. To remove elements, lst.remove removes the first matching item, and lst.pop removes and returns the last item. lst.pop removes and returns the item at a specified index, providing flexible removal. This table illustrates removal methods: remove by value, pop for the last item, and pop for an item at a specific index. To order items, lst.sort sorts in ascending order. For descending, use lst.sort. This example shows x.sort transforming 2, 4, 1, 5, 2, 1, 2, 4, 5, and x.sort to 5, 4, 2, 1. Here's a solved exercise. Create an empty list, add elements, insert an element, sort in descending order, and display the sum. The solution code demonstrates initializing, extending, inserting, sorting in reverse, and printing the sum of 64. For our second solved exercise, you'll input elements, find the sum and minimum, and check for the presence of 10. The solution code prompts for elements, calculates sum and minimum, and checks if 10 is in the list, displaying all results. Finally, practice list manipulation. Reverse, sort, find max, remove/insert by index, remove last, create from name, and concatenate lists. This slide presents more programming tasks involving creating, modifying, and analyzing a list of numbers, enhancing your understanding of Python lists. Thank you for joining this session on Python lists. We hope this overview has provided a solid foundation for your programming journey.